Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. I am Jyoti, the owner of ML for Analytics. I thank you for your support that you all have given us from time to time to our channel, to our blog. So, till now, our journey has been fantastic, and the credit goes to the viewers, of course. The people who have subscribed to us, the people who are actually coming back to us with their feedback. So I mean, the honors of our success lies with you. So from now onwards, what we are doing is we are actually going to cover Azure in our upcoming videos and blog articles, and also we will be covering things or topics related to Fabric Analytics. So till now we have covered everything related to Power BI. We have covered things related to DAX, different scenarios related to DAX, Power Query. We have also covered mini projects related to machine learning using Python or using R. So till now, these were the things that we have covered, and yeah, of course, it was all liked by all of you. But from now onwards, we are going one step further. We are going to cover things related to cloud. We are going to cover things related to Fabric Analytics. We are going to cover advanced analytics in our video, and soon we will be bringing free material related to AI in front of you. So we had started this particular initiative for the purpose of spreading free education, and we are on it. So thanks a lot. Stay tuned with us, and thanks for supporting us. Stay tuned.